So this morning's kind of a big day. We're about to head out. My wife and I are about to go to our local home travel sports show that they put on a weekend here in April. And I was just thinking this morning, reflecting back, I bought my first duplex. I found it actually in Wausau at the home show. And then I got thinking, how many properties have I owned over the years? And I kind of came to the total that is probably a dozen, maybe 13, but going back and kind of counting through them, it's about a dozen that we've owned or still own. And, it's been good to me. This was kind of how it all started. I'm looking forward to going to the home show. Yes, I'm going to look at some real estate. There's one deal I've kind of seen out there. I don't know if it's a deal, but it's kind of piqued my interest. I'm going to talk to them on that a little bit today. And we're also looking at hot tubs today. So that'll be kind of cool. I know they have them there. And kind of a little bit of a trip back. And I'm going to try to take my time on this. Every year I rush this because it's April. There's work to be done outside. And, I kind of want to get at that stuff. And I feel guilty for going to the home show. But now that I'm retired, there's no reason to feel guilty about that. So I'm going to try to really just relax, enjoy it, not rush through it, look around, and just see what it all has to offer. Hit that like and subscribe button, and actually I'm going to try to add some things on that I come across today. Take care. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, so we're at the Tomahawk Home Show here with Jim Bogey from Quality Home and Carpet Cleaning. Give him a call because Jim, I've nicknamed him, you've seen on some of the other videos, I've nicknamed him Jesus because he works miracles on my carpet and anything else that needs to be cleaned. So how's it going, Jim?
Great, Brian.
So
visit us.
Yep. So where should people look for your number and that kind of thing?
715-212-0302.
And once again, if you get a chance, come out and check out the Tomahawk Home Show. Come talk to Jim and get his handouts and that kind of thing. Another product that Jim supplies me with is I've got a container of this organic stain remover, and this really works slick for in your house for anything as far as removing stains and that go. Another thing that I got from Jim is you don't have the Novo today, do you?
The what?
Stuff for your hands.
Yes, we do.
Okay. Tell us about that a little bit, Jim, because I use that
24 hand
religiously.
sanitizer.
24-hour hand sanitizer. I keep this in my truck. Every time I get in and out, Jim knows I overuse it, but every time I get in and out, I'm going to go in something public, I use that hand sanitizer, and for years, I haven't had any colds or anything. And, I used to be a teacher, so I was around kids all the time, and that kept me healthy. And our hands touch so much during the day. So another product that Jim has here that I would highly advise. So with that, hit the like and subscribe button. After Jim touched base with some of the realtors that we knew and ran into some friends of ours, and talking to him, he was telling me how he likes to watch all my videos and gets a bang out of them, but said I should, instead of going by Perrodin the project specialist, I should go by The Life of Brian. I think we might run into some copyright issues with that, so I don't know, but he was saying it should be The Life of Brian. WJJQ did a nice job with the home show again this year, ran into, like I said, some of the realtors, got to talk to Jim, got to talk with a number of people that we knew, looked at a hot tub. I'm really struggling with that one. I have my first communion money yet, and the idea of spending $16,000 to $30,000 for a hot tub, don't think it's happening. And looked at some other things as far as I've got a rental that I'm looking at some things for the basement, and so I talked to some contractors on that, and you know, the world's just getting expensive. So help me out, hit the like and subscribe button, and get out. If you got a day like this, get out and enjoy the weather. Take care. Thanks for watching.